Welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into the revival of one of the most iconic British racing legends of all time, the Bentley Speed Six. After a 93-year absence, Bentley has officially brought back this legendary car with an incredible continuation model called Speed Six Car Zero. It's a resurrection steeped in history, passion, and precision engineering. Let's explore the story, the specs, and the vision behind Bentley's most ambitious tribute car yet. The Speed Six, widely recognized as Bentley's most successful racing car to date, holds an esteemed position as one of the most important Bentleys in history. Now we proudly present the newest addition to this legendary lineage, Speed Six Car Zero. Serving as the focal point of an extensive development program encompassing rigorous real-world endurance testing and track evaluations, Car Zero will subsequently remain in Bentley's possession, preceding the production of 12 highly coveted customer cars, all of which have already been sold. The creation of the Speed Six involved meticulous research with a particular focus on accurately capturing the specifications and setup of the original cars that competed in the 1930 24 Hours of Le Mans, leveraging a treasure trove of original drawings with 80% obtained from the W.O. Bentley Memorial Foundation, supplemented by invaluable mechanics notes outlining the modifications made between the 1929 and 1930 races, as well as insights derived from the Bentley Heritage Collection's 1930 Speed Six and the esteemed Old No. 3, an original 1930 Le Mans racer. Remaining true to the authentic materials utilized in the Blower Continuation series, the Speed Six incorporates a selection of meticulously chosen elements, particularly in its exquisitely trimmed features. Our dedicated Mulliner team delved into the archives at the National Motor Museum in Beaulieu, Hampshire, unearthing 5 authentic period Parsons exterior paints. Speed Six Car Zero, resplendent in Parsons Napier Green, is adorned with a sumptuous tan leather interior, creating a truly captivating aesthetic. The validation program for Speed Six Car Zero is set to mirror the meticulous standards set by its counterpart, the Blower Car Zero. This comprehensive evaluation will include accumulating real-world mileage and subjecting the car to 2 race simulations, guaranteeing the highest levels of performance and reliability. The Speed Six is no ordinary classic. It was Bentley's most successful racing machine, famously winning the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1929 and 1930. This car helped define Bentley's performance legacy in the early motorsport era. Its powerful straight-six engine, superior handling, and endurance helped it triumph against the best in the world. That legacy is exactly what Bentley aims to recapture with the all-new Speed Six continuation series. Leading this resurrection is Speed Six Car Zero. It's not for sale, but it's the most important part of the project. Car Zero is Bentley's development prototype, built to undergo extreme endurance testing, real-world mileage accumulation, and 2 full simulated race runs. Just like the Blower Car Zero before it, Car Zero will ensure the final 12 customer cars meet the highest standards of performance, authenticity, and reliability. To make the Speed Six truly authentic, Bentley engineers embarked on a massive research mission. They tapped into over 80% of original blueprints, sourced from the W.O. Bentley Memorial Foundation, as well as mechanics notes detailing upgrades between the 1929 and 1930 Le Mans races. They even referenced Old No. 3, the original Le Mans racer, and a 1930 Speed Six from the Bentley Heritage Collection. This wasn't just a rebuild, it was a full historical recreation from the ground up. Like the Blower Continuation series, the Speed Six uses authentic materials throughout. From the handcrafted details to period-correct parts, everything is as close as possible to the 1930 original. The Mulliner team went deep into the archives of the National Motor Museum at Beaulieu, uncovering 5 genuine Parsons paint colors from the era. Car Zero is finished in stunning Parsons Napier Green, complemented by a luxurious tan leather interior that brings together vintage elegance and race-ready functionality. Following Car Zero's testing, only 12 production units of the Speed Six continuation will be built, And yes, they're already sold out. Each car is a celebration of Bentley's racing heritage and a collector's dream, representing the pinnacle of craftsmanship and authenticity. These cars won't just be museum pieces. They'll be fully drivable, road-legal, and track-capable tributes to Bentley's motorsport roots. So there you have it. The return of the mighty Speed Six, a car that helped define Bentley's racing pedigree. With just 12 cars to be produced in Car Zero as its battle-tested prototype, this project stands as a stunning reminder of what automotive legacy looks like when history and innovation collide. If you're a fan of vintage racers, British engineering, or simply love automotive history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Would you take a Speed 6 over a modern hypercar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay legendary.